Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change username in Raid Shadow Legends. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Raid Shadow Legends game. Then tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on Player Info option. And then click on Change Username button. Now enter a new name. Once you're done, tap on the Confirm button. And this is how you can change username in Raid Shadow Legends. Thanks for watching Gaming Explain. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.